So we've just had a good heap of fresh cow manure delivered. I love cow manure. They're just like, it's the most succulent manure of all the different types. So we're going to use some of this on our heap here, and I'm going to be layering it nice and fresh. So we've had one layer of brown. We had some manure on top of that. And then we'll put the next layer with some little bit of earthworm castings and then the green. So it's really important to have a look at your positioning of your compost heap. Ideally, you want to have equal amount of sunshine both sides. So it's kind of north-south positioning with enough morning and evening light. That's pretty much balanced. So the only material that I try and avoid is actually onions and onion family, as well as citrus peels. So I'm just using some straw. You can really just use leaves or anything to create a little blanket over your compost heap. And so yeah, this is going to be an amazing organism. I'm very excited to see it going, and we'll start harvesting from this heap in about 6 months' time. So for me, from autumn to spring is like a good session. From spring to autumn again. It's great to, get some riches into the garden.